Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Will Kit is probably one of the most important things you can do to protect your loved ones and ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of will kits, exploring what they are, how they work, and whether they're the right choice for you. Number 5. Clever Fox A5 End-of-Life Planner, Purple. This planner is designed to help you guide your loved ones. It's an easy-to-use tool for organizing essential personal information, from medical data to financial records. This will make things easier for them when the time comes. This end-of-life planning book has 16 sections to create a comprehensive record. The layout is easy to follow and fill out, saving you and your family time and avoiding misunderstandings. Inside, you can add care instructions for dependents and pets. It also includes sections for personal property, finance information, insurance policies, and beneficiaries. It covers everything you need. The A5 format measures 5.8 by 8.3 inches. It features an eco-leather hardcover, thick paper, lay-flat binding, and a pocket for notes. It's designed to last and be easily stored. We offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with it for any reason, we will exchange or refund your purchase. Just reach out to us, and we'll take care of it. What we like. This planner excels at gathering all your essential information in one place. It's designed with a clear layout, making it simple to fill out and understand. If you're looking for a way to organize every detail of your final arrangements, from medical data to financial records, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It is so thorough, it covers everything you can possibly imagine and more. There are many dividers with personal, medical, arrangements, finance, beneficiaries and key contacts. Sections are well organized with plenty of space for personalization. Number 4. 5 Wishes Advanced Care Planning and Living Will Kit. This kit includes 5 copies of 5 wishes and a discussion guide. It helps you plan for end-of-life care. This will ensure your wishes are known and respected. Inside, you'll find 2 crucial legal documents, a healthcare power of attorney and a living will. These documents are essential for making your wishes clear. This kit empowers you to protect your rights and maintain your dignity. It allows you to make informed decisions about your healthcare. Give the gift of peace of mind to your loved ones. This kit helps them understand and honor your wishes during a difficult time. The documents are written in easy-to-understand language. This makes it simple for anyone to complete and comprehend the instructions. What we like. This kit provides essential legal documents in easy-to-understand language. It focuses on protecting your rights and ensuring your wishes are honored. If you value clarity and want to ensure your end-of-life decisions are respected, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. Excellent product and a simple but effective way to communicate your needs to family, doctors, hospital, or put with your trust paperwork or file on surgical or end-of-life choices. Decided to get copies for all of my children. I have found this to be the best document available for end-of-life planning. Very concise information on a very difficult subject. Well written. Number 3. DIY Legal Will Kit, Attorney Prepared, 2 sets. This kit provides a powerful way to protect your legacy. It includes essential instructions and clear guidance, empowering you to take control of your future. The kit comes with 2 sets of practice worksheets and legal forms. This includes last will and testament forms, affidavit forms, and addendum forms. It's designed to help you make informed decisions. You can craft your own will with simplicity and clarity. The instructions are easy to follow. It is proudly made in the USA. This will is prepared by an attorney and is valid in all 50 states. It adheres to the highest legal standards. You can make your choice with confidence. Without a will, the court decides how to distribute your estate. This kit ensures your wishes are honored. It also helps you determine who will be the guardian of your children. What we like. This kit offers attorney-prepared forms, ensuring they meet the highest legal standards across all states. It provides you with 2 sets of forms, giving you the flexibility to practice and make informed decisions. If you want a reliable, legally sound will kit prepared by an attorney, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to complete. Great instructions. Easy to follow instructions. Finish quickly. Number 2. DIY Will Kit, Multi, Silver Star Brands. Are you looking for a simple way to plan for the future? This kit includes everything you need to get started. It provides the essential documents to help you create a will. This booklet helps you outline your final wishes. It ensures that your assets are distributed according to your desires. This is a crucial step in protecting your loved ones. This document allows you to make healthcare decisions in advance. It specifies your preferences for medical treatment. This gives you control over your care. This guide helps you establish a trust to manage your assets. It provides instructions on how to protect your assets. This can help your family avoid probate. Keep your important documents safe and organized. This kit includes a storage envelope to store your will. It's a convenient way to keep everything in one place. This product is brought to you by a trusted brand. It is part of a family known for quality and innovation. You can trust the product to meet your needs. What we like. This kit includes a last will and testament, living will, and living trust, covering multiple aspects of estate planning. It also comes with a storage envelope to keep your documents safe. If you need a comprehensive solution for your estate planning needs, this kit from a trusted brand is a great choice. What people say. It is everything I thought it would be, more and so easy to fill out. It contains several pages for every need, where it's for willing for one person, or several people. Just fill in the names and what you want to will to those you love, and have it notarized with your signature. Has also a section for 2 witness. Easy and complete for me. Besides the last will, it has 2 other booklets for your other needs, which I didn't need at this time, but good to have. Everything including easy to use. Number 1. USA Legal Forms Family Law Planning Kit. This kit includes essential legal forms for family planning. It provides the tools needed to outline your wishes clearly and concisely. Inside, you'll find blank forms for last will and testament, living will, and durable power of attorney. Each form comes with a quick reference guide to help you complete them. The kit also includes 2 laminated legal guides. These guides offer valuable information on family law and wills and trusts. This kit is perfect for those who want to ensure their intentions are clearly documented. It helps you create a record of your will and healthcare wishes. The legal forms are valid in all states. Save on legal fees and the hassle by using this kit to clearly outline your intentions. What we like. This kit includes last will and testament, living will, and durable power of attorney forms, covering essential family law planning. It also provides laminated reference guides to help you complete the forms. If you want a comprehensive kit with helpful guides to ensure your intentions are clear, you should consider this. What people say. I was able to complete the forms quickly and easily. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The product is very helpful and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.